Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a new X account, a Twitter account, with your Apple ID. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is grab your iPhone and from there go to the X application, the Twitter application. Now here you see a couple of options. Now you have the continue with Google or continue with Apple. Now we're going for the second option, continue with Apple. Now what this does, it will create an account with your Apple ID. So simply you can share your email address or hide your email address. This doesn't matter. Simply press continue. Now your Face ID will be scanned and from here it's done. Now what will happen next? You need to give out your date of birth. So let's actually give it real quick. And once you've done that, you can simply press continue and go to the next one. Now here, get more out of X, receive emails or connect with your people, so they go through your email address to check if there's anyone who you can follow. Now I don't want the both of these, so simply press next. Here you can pick a profile picture or simply use a emoji, as you can see, with a color behind it. Now here you can choose a ad. Now you can always change this later, so I'm going to skip this for now. Now here you can allow X to give you notifications. I'm not going to allow this. And here you can continue. From here you can give up what you prefer to see. Now you need to at least do 3 things, so press next. Now what you can do from here, you make it more specific. You don't have to do this. And here you can follow some accounts. Now we need to at least follow one account, so let's do SpaceX, press next, because this will allow us to get a feed, otherwise we don't have a feed. And as you can see here, we have a Twitter account with our Apple ID. Now it is easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.